How to disable pre-edit in 2024. So as you guys can see right here, I have hella pre-edits. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to get rid of this, all those pre-edits right here. Firstly, you have to go to settings. Then once you're in settings, you have to go to the third one right here. So 1, 2, 3. On the third one, it should say game. Now you have to scroll down slowly. So you have language and region, you have movement, and you just keep scrolling down. You have combat, you keep scrolling down. Now you have building right here. So it's going to be under building where it's a disable pre-edit. Should be the second option. Reset building choice, disable pre-edit. So just turn that on. Click on apply. If I go back and I try to build, I don't have those pre-edits no more. Like even if I want to, I can't even pre-edit. Like look, I physically can't even pre-edit. So that's how you disable pre-edit in 2024. If this would help, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.